guys, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back to another video on the 3D Smiths. Today a very special package ride. This is my new Forney Easy Weld welder, and this is my friend Jackson. He's a welder guy, and so he's gonna help kind of teach me the ways of the welding, and he's gonna help me unbox it here and kind of show me what I'm gonna be doing with this welder.
So here is our Forney Easy Weld 140 FCI. This is a flux core welder, and I'm here to explain some of the parts for it. So here is our MIG gun. This is what you weld with. Here is our ground clamp. This is what the current goes through. You're not going to be able to weld without having this attached to your metal. Here's the actual welder body with our current adjustment and our wire feed adjustment. And here is the wire spool and the wire feed. But that's enough of the boring stuff. Let's get to welding.
Okay, ready to lay down the first weld, the welder? Let's do this.
Not bad. I'd say it looks like, from my quick glance at you instead of the camera, which was also really hard to focus on the camera.
Yeah.
I'd say you need to have your nozzle a little bit closer. You have too much stick out.
Awesome. Okay, so do another one?
Yeah.
That's a thick boy. I'm just going to lay a whole bunch of welds and just kind of get used to it. Some practice on this piece until there's no more welding that I can do. Ready? Thanks so much for watching. Obviously, if you liked the video, please leave a like. If you want to see more videos with the welder in the future, don't forget to hit subscribe. There will be a lot more videos coming out. I've got a lot planned. I'm really hoping to add it to my blacksmithing area over there, get some more stuff welded and blacksmith, kind of combine them. Maybe I'll be able to make some Damascus billets. That'd be kind of nice. Obviously, because my arm was broken, I wasn't able to do any blacksmithing, but literally the second it's healed up enough, I have a few videos planned. So if you want to see those, subscribe and support the channel by leaving a like. I mean, that's really all I have to say. I guess this was my first time welder. I gotta say, these are looking pretty good, but I mean, that's about it. So thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.